Very good morning, girls. Once again, I welcome to the online session of differential equations, and here we are going to discuss the lecture number 20, and in this lecture we are going to discuss the next method, that is method 5. So, in the previous video we discussed that the concept of the method 4, that is nothing but 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, and now here I am going to discuss the next case, that is nothing but here. So, same thing we have to consider same m dx plus n dy form, but here you have to consider that the condition, that is 1 by n of dou m by dou y minus dou n 1 by m of dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. Okay, if that functional value, if that gives only the functional value of y, then only we can go with this method, otherwise we cannot go. Okay, and then the integrating factor is e power integral p dy, otherwise some q dy. Okay, so same procedure we have to follow, but the thing is nothing but here instead of m and n, just in the place of m we will write n, and in the place of n m. In the same way, in the place of x y. Okay, so now write on method 5. If 1 by m of dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is a function of y, then e power integral, here I am taking that some f of y dy. In the place of, in a previous method you can take that f of x also. Okay, f of y dy, this is nothing. If you will get this entire value in terms of the y, then only you can take the integrated factor, this one, otherwise we cannot. Okay, so now here I am going to discuss the application of this one. Now write down, and sometimes of course we will get constant also, at the time you know that how to calculate the integration. Now the question is, solve xy cube plus y dx plus 2 of x square y square plus x plus y power 4 of dy equal to 0. m dx plus n dy form we have. Now we have to check that it is exact equation or not. So now here m is equal to xy cube plus y. Now dou m by dou y, which is nothing but 3xy square plus 1. Next n, that is 2x square y square plus 2x plus 2y power 4. Next dou n by dou x we have to calculate, so 4xy square plus here what we get 2. That's it. So now if you observe clearly, totally we have the different values. So that's why dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. Now which is nothing but a non-exact equation. So now here what we have to consider? We have to consider that the condition, that is 1 by m. See here I have 1 by m. So now here we have to get in terms of the y. Now here dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, now which is equal to 1 by m. What is the value of the m here? xy cube plus y of dou n by dou x means 4xy square plus 2 minus dou m by dou y 3xy square minus 1. Now here what I will get? 4xy square minus this one. So simply I will get that xy square plus 2 minus 1 plus 1 by xy cube plus y, and from this denominator we can take that y common, then xy square plus 1 by y common, then xy square plus 1. Both values will be cancelled. Now here we have that 1 by y. Therefore the integrating factor is e power integral f of y dy. What is f of y here? 1 by y. Now it is equal to e power integral 1 by y dy. So now here what we get? Log y, e power log y, therefore which is equal to y. Now integrating factor is equal to y. Now this is equation number 1. Now we have to multiply equation 1 by integrating factor. Then what we get? We will get that simply xy cube plus y of y dx plus 2y of x square y square plus x plus y power 4 of dy equal to 0. Next what we get here? Xy power 4 plus y square of dx plus here 2x square y cube plus 2xy plus 2y power 5 of dy is equal to 0. Now here m is equal to xy power 4 plus y square. Now dou m by dou y equal to 4xy cube plus 2y. Okay. Next n 2x square y cube plus 2xy plus 2y power 5. Then dou n by dou x is equal to 4x y cube plus here 2y plus 0. Okay. So now both are equal or not? Yes, both are equal. So therefore dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore which is nothing but exact equation. So which is nothing but exact equation. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate the general solution. Now what is the general solution formula? Integration of m dx plus integral of n dy equal to c. Okay. So then what we get here? Integration of what is m here? M is nothing but from here we have to consider. This is nothing but new one. So from here we have to take. So now xy power 4 plus y square of dx plus n. N value is nothing but directly 2x square y cube equal to c. Okay. Now here we have to take the integration. Then simply integration of this one with respect to x means y power 4 of x square by 2 plus here what we get? Y square of x plus, and here it is 0, here it is 0, and here it is nothing but plus 2 into y power 6 by 6 which is equal to c. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Okay. Now x square y power 4 by 2 plus xy square plus y power 6 by 3 which is equal to c. Now here I am taking that the LCM, we will get that 6 is the LCM. Now 3x square y power 4 plus 6x y square plus 2 y power 6 is equal to c. So like this we have to calculate the solution for the method 5. So same procedure we have to follow as method 4. The thing is nothing but in the place of m we have that n, and in the place of n we have that m. That is the main thing you have to observe. Okay. So now here we have that x power 6. I am checking that the answer. Here the answer is 3 into x square y power 4 plus 6 x y square plus 2 into y power 6 is equal to 6 c, but here I consider it as some c1. Okay. Next write down problem. So now here the next question, of course here we have another question also. Now I am going to discuss that one, okay, and after that we will go for the next method. Clear? Okay. Now the next question is solve xy square minus x square dx, xy square minus plus 3x square y square minus 2x cube plus y square of dy equal to 0. Okay. So, now it is nothing but it is in the form of m dx plus n dy. So, then what we get here? Simply we will get that the value of course m is equal to xy square minus x square. So, dou m by dou y, then what we get 2xy, that is it, because here we have to differentiate it with respect to y, right. So, now here directly n I am taking 3x square y square, here we have a lengthy value. Now, dou n by dou x, 6xy square 2xy minus 6x, both are not equal obviously. So, dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. Next what we have to do? We have to consider the case, that is 1 by m of dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, which is equal to, what is one m value here? M is nothing but xy square minus x square of dou n by dou x. Dou n by dou x means this is the value 6xy square plus 2xy minus 6x minus dou m by dou y. Both values are cancelled. Now, here 6x common. So, that is why I am taking that 6x is common. Then here we will get that y square minus 1. By here I am taking that directly here we have that xy square minus x square, yeah, and here otherwise we can take x common, then what we get, okay, from here if I take that x common, then what I will get, y square minus x, and here from here what I will get, if I take that only 6 common, then I will get that, okay. So, here xy square minus x, right, and here xy square minus x square. One second, 6x y square plus 2xy plus here it is x square, right, 6x square. So, I am taking that 6x common, then I will get that y square minus x, no, so that is why here x, again in the denominator x common, then y square minus x. So, both values are cancelled, finally we have that 6, which is nothing but some constant. If we have a constant, there is no problem, okay. So, now simply we have that the value is constant. Now, the integrating factor is equal to e power integral of, here we have that f of y dy, but instead of that one we have that it is some constant, right. So, now here e power integral 6 with respect to y. So, now it is nothing but e power 6y, right. So, now here therefore, the integrating factor for this function is nothing but e power 6y itself. Okay, now here we have to multiply this equation 1 with this integrating factor. Now, multiply 1 by e power 6y, okay. Then e power 6y of xy square minus x square dx plus e power 6y of 3x square y square plus x square y minus 2x cube plus y square of dy equal to 0. Okay, now again it is in the form of m dx plus n dy. Now, I am taking that m, e power 6y of xy square minus x square, that is m equal to xy square e power 6y minus x square e power 6y. Now, dou m by dou y with respect to y we have to do. Now, x of y square into e power 6y, derivative is e power 6y into 6, okay, plus e power 6y into 2y. Okay. Now, here it is finished, again minus what we get here, x square as it is and e power 6y into 6. Therefore, here xy square 6, okay, 6xy square into e power 6y plus here what we get again 2xy e power 6y minus x square 6x square e power 6y, okay. And now here I am taking n is nothing but e power 6y of 3x square y square plus x square y minus 2x cube plus y square. Now here we have to differentiate it with respect to x, dou n by dou x. Now I am taking e power 6y as it is with respect to x now. So 6xy square plus 2xy plus minus 6x square, then 6x y square into e power 6y plus 2xy e power 6y minus 6x square e power 6y. So, here both values are equal, therefore, dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Now, here what we can say? We can say that it is a exact equation. Next, what we have to do? We have to do that the general solution. We have to find the general solution for the given equation. So, then simply what we get here? The general solution is so, therefore, the general solution is nothing but integration of m dx plus integration of n dy equal to c. Now, integral, what is m here? M is nothing but xy square minus x square of e power 6y of dx plus integral of what is n here? 3x square y square plus x square y minus 2x cube plus y square of e power 6y dy is equal to c. Here I have a x, so 0, it is 0, it is 0. Okay, now integral xy square e power 6y dx minus integral x square e power 6y dx, okay, splitting. Now here plus these terms are zeros, no, so plus y square into e power 6y dy equal to c. Okay. Now here we will get the thing, because here we have that, we have to use that the value that is nothing but y square into e power 6y I have. So, for this generally they are taking that u into v formula, otherwise directly you can take that e power 6y is outside, then you can take the remaining term. Okay. Okay, now coming to this one, directly what we get here, y square e power 6y of x square by 2 minus e power 6y of x cube by 3 plus integration of u into v, because here we have exponential and we have some function. So, in this what is a u and what is v? Exponential is nothing but v and this is nothing but u. Okay. So, otherwise we can take that the formula that is nothing but u v dash, u is as it is and integral of this one is e power 6y by 6 minus u dash means 2y of the second derivative, this remains same here, I will give the formula. Okay, next plus 2y of, here this remains different, again we have to integrate it, then we will get that e power 6y by 36. Again we have to differentiate this one, then we will get that minus 2 of e power 6y by 36. Okay, u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 and so on. Okay. Now, u v dash, v1, that means integration, in dash mean dash, double dash, and if we write in a power then it is differentiation, in sufficient then it is integration. U v1 integration is finished minus u dash means y square derivative is 2y and v2. Okay, here we have to take that v2. minus 2y of v2 means again integration e power 6y by 36 and plus here 2y differentiation is nothing but simply here we will get that, okay, not only we have to take that the u only, okay. Now here plus u dash is finished, now u double dash, then we will get 2 and here e power 6y by 36 into 6. This is the formula, okay. Write it aside, which is equal to C. Next here I am writing in order x square y square e power 6y by 2 minus x cube e power 6y by 3 plus y square e power 6y by 6. 2 ones are 2 18s are minus y into e power 6y by 18. 2 ones are 2 3s are, okay, otherwise 18 whatever it is. Now plus e power 6y by 36 into 3 8 and 3 3s are 9 10 108 which is equal to C. So now just I want to check the answer. Now x square y square by 2 e, okay, first of all here I am taking that e power 6y is outside common, then x square y square by 2 minus x cube by 3 plus y square by 6 minus y by 18 plus 1 by 108 equal to C. So now I am saying the answer e power 6y of x square y square by 2 minus x cube by 3 plus y square by 6 minus y by 18 1 by 108. Yes, our answer is correct. So actually here we can use that uv, but every time we will get that next term, like you know uv, already you know that the formula for the integral uv is nothing but u into integration of v minus integration of u dash into integral of v and so on. But instead of this one we can use this directly, because every time here see in a first step here and here integration will be finished, but here remains. Again we have to go for the next step. Instead of that one directly we can take that u v1 minus u dash v2 plus alternative terms u double dash v3 minus u simply triple dash v4 and so on, okay. So like this we can use the formulas, okay. So now with this the method 5 is also finished. Now we have to discuss method 4, okay. Now here I am going to discuss the method 4. Okay. So now here I will give the hint, I mean information about the method. If possible we will discuss the problem, okay. So now here method 6. Now I am discussing the method, in the next class we will discuss the problem, okay. In method 6 simply if we have to take that the equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 or not, we have to check that same thing it is exact or not, and if definitely we will get that non exact, and here we have to choose that the integrating factor as a x power h y power k. Then again we have to multiply this equation 1 with by integrating factor, then you will get the new equation, right. And of course here we have to consider that new equation is 2, and for that definitely for this the procedure is different so that is why I am taking. First of all we have to take the given equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Next we have to choose that the integrating factor is like this. When we have to choose this one, if the given equation is in the form of some x power a y power b of simply m y dx plus n x dy plus here x power c y power d, and here again p y dx plus q x dy. If we have the form like this, then we have to choose that the integrating factor is this one. Next we have to multiply this equation 1 with the integrating factor, then we will get a new equation, okay. And then we have to assume that, like, consider, otherwise simply we can say that assume that dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. By comparing all this, then we will get the value of the h and we will get the value of the k. After getting the values of the h and k, substitute in our integrating factor, that is x power h into y power k, then we will get the value. Again multiply the new integrating factor with equation 1, because already here we multiplied with this one, no? Otherwise here you can substitute, otherwise substitute h and k in 2. Then we will get that dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, and after that simple same steps we have to follow, that is general solution. And of course it is a lengthy procedure ma, because see here in the previous application just we are multiplying with integrating factor and directly after getting equation 2 we are going for this, but here this is a additional part. So that is why it takes some time to discuss and of course to write also and to attempt in examination also, okay. But it is somewhat very easy, okay. And in the next class we will discuss the method 6 applications, and after that we have the next topic, that is change of variables. And one thing I want to say to you, in change of variable just we have 2 less problems, and in total differential equations also, and after that we have to discuss the equations of the form dx by p and so on. So within 1 or 2 classes we can finish the first unit, and after that we will go for the second unit, and that second unit is nothing but the equation solvable for p and solvable for y and solvable for x and so on, okay. So as soon as possible we will finish, but you have to prepare for the examinations also, and today I will share the problems related to the each and every method, okay. And until then please take care of you girls, and please be prepared for the examinations, okay. Be ready for the examinations, okay. Thank you so much and have a nice day.